How to charge your Mac's Magic Mouse. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and further tap on the System Preferences option. Now, navigate to the mouse option and tap on that, and if you have connected your mouse to Mac, then you will be able to see the battery percentage of your mouse. So once you've checked your battery percentage and you would want to charge your mouse further, then make sure that you will not be able to charge your mouse and use your mouse at the same time, as the charging port is at the bottom of the mouse. Now, to charge your mouse, connect a Lightning to USB or USB-C cable to the charging port. Now, plug the other end into your Mac, a power adapter or a USB port. A quick 2-minute charge gives you hours of uses, and a full charge takes about 2 hours that lasts up to weeks. So this is how you can charge your Mac's Magic Mouse. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.